This video will walk you through how to look up a document in Symphony OCR for NetDocuments. This can be useful if you need to determine the status of a particular document or if you need to ensure that it is processed with a higher priority than other documents. First, we need to open the Symphony OCR interface. From the workstation running Symphony OCR, right-click on the Symphony OCR icon in the system tray by the clock and choose Show Browser Window. Now that Symphony OCR is opened, choose the Lookup Document button on the left-hand side. In the field below, type in the doc ID number of the document you wish to look up, and then choose Query. The document detail screen will tell you the status or state of the document. In this case, the document has been processed.